To free up some space by deleting duplicate files in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery and device care. Tap battery and device care and then tap storage. Scroll down the screen, tap duplicate files to see all files that have duplicate, and then select the duplicate files you like to delete. If needed, you can see how many space you will get by deleting the selected files by tapping the details icon at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up appears to inform you how many files that are being selected and its total size. To close the pop-up, tap OK button. Next, to delete the selected files, tap delete. A pop-up appears to tell you that doing this action will move the selected files to the trash. To continue the process, tap move to the trash. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.